Hi, my name is Dianne Cassidy. I'm a lactation consultant in Rochester, New York, in the United States. And I would like to share with you that I am so happy and thrilled and honored to be part of Gold Midwifery this year. My talk with Gold Midwifery is unlocking the power of proper latching, overcoming challenges, and maximizing breastfeeding success. And in my talk, you will learn things like why latch is such a challenge for some parents and how that can impact their overall breastfeeding journey. You will learn so many amazing things with the Gold Midwifery Conference this year, so definitely do not miss out on it. And being with Gold is such a great experience. You will love every minute of every conference that you are attending with them. So definitely join us. Again, my talk is unlocking the power of proper latching, overcoming challenges, and maximizing breastfeeding success. And you will learn so many amazing things about why latch is so important for the breastfeeding diet. Check it out. Thank you. Bye.